Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add the money to PayPal from debit card or bank account or credit card. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys like multiple methods and you can see which one is going to help you, okay? So the first one, guys, is to click here on send and receive, whatever country you live in, and you want to request money from yourself but using a different email. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean here. I'm going to select this email address. Okay, I have access to, but it's not really the one I'm using, but it just has to be something different from your own PayPal email that you use to create your PayPal. Now after you send here, you want to send a money request to your own self, for example $50, and pay it now please. I'm just going to request this from myself here. Okay, so when you click here on send, you will be able to get a notification from that email to I'm going to change this to this. I'm going to change it to whatever. Yeah, it just need to like to add the amount of money that you want to receive from yourself, and then it's going to appear here on your account. Okay, so if this doesn't work, it's not allowing you to request or whatever, you can also ask your friend, hi, like a friend that lives near you, and you can ask them, hi, can I send you a money request and pay it using your credit card, and then I'm going to pay you the local money. Okay, that's really a very easy solution you can do. Or if it's not allowing you, you can just ask someone from another country to send you money, and then you can pay them with something, buy them something or whatever, depends on the currency. So yeah, this is exactly how you can do this. Okay, so in order to add money directly to PayPal, it's not possible, but there is only, or you can just ask a friend to send you money, okay, to your PayPal, to send you the money, and then you will be able to send the money. Then you can pay them using the local money in your currency, in the local currency. So yeah, that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. If this video, you guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next tutorial.